Welcome to Marquette Savings Bank. You have chosen how to make a mobile deposit. To get started, you must first be enrolled in online banking and have the mobile Marquette app downloaded on your iPhone, iPad, or Android phone. If you have any enrollment questions, you can view the tutorial videos titled Online Banking Self-Enrollment and How to Enroll in Mobile Marquette in the How-To video section of the Marquette website. Once you've enrolled in online banking and downloaded the mobile Marquette app, you can log into the app using your username and password from online banking. Tap the plus sign at the bottom of your screen, then select Deposit in the mobile Marquette menu. A notice screen will open each time you use this feature and includes information about cutoff times and availability of items being deposited. Once you have reviewed the notice, click Continue to proceed to your deposit. Tap Front to take a picture of the front of the check. For best results, the check should be placed on a dark background in a well-lit area. All four corners of the check should fit within the boundary indicated by the app. After capturing the image, the camera icon changes to a check mark. Select the check mark to save the check image or select the red back arrow to attempt another image capture. Tap Back to take a picture of the back of the check. Make sure the check is endorsed before the image is captured. All four corners of the check should fit within the boundary indicated by the app. After capturing the image, the camera icon changes to a check mark. Select the check mark to save the check image or select the red back arrow to attempt another image capture. Enter the dollar amount of the deposit exactly as it appears on the check, including dollars and cents in the amount field. Select the account you want the check to be deposited into from the list of eligible accounts in the Deposit To field. Once all fields are completed, tap Continue if the information is accurate. Then select Approve to upload. You are now back at the main screen with a notification about your deposit showing at the top of the screen. You will receive a confirmation email when the check has been received and when the check has been accepted or denied. To view your deposit history, tap Recent in the menu on the bottom of your screen. Then select Deposits. From here, you can choose a specific deposit and review the payment information. Also, pending check deposits will show in the mobile Marquette app and will not appear in online banking until the check is processed. If you have questions, simply contact Marquette by calling any of our 12 offices or call our toll-free number at 1-866-672-3743 or our main office number at 814-455-4481 and choose option 5. We hope you enjoy using Mobile Marquette.